This video will show how to replace the recoil assembly in your Champion inverter. Your unit may look slightly different depending on your wattage and model. Make sure the engine is completely cool, with the start dial in the off position, and remove the spark plug access cover and side panel to disconnect the spark plug cap. Step 1. Remove the yellow tab on the start dial, and remove the screw holding on the dial with a Phillips screwdriver to remove the dial. Then remove the panel screw beneath the dial. Locate the screw behind the recoil handle and remove it. Then loosen the 2 screws on the top of the panel and fit the recoil handle through the hole in the panel to remove the side panel. Step 2. Remove the 6 screws on the front panel, the 4 screws across the handle, and the 6 screws on the rear panel, and remove the rear panel. Remove the 3 bolts across the bottom of the recoil side panel using a 10mm socket. Then disconnect the ground wire on the recoil side and cut any zip ties that are connected to the black side panel. Step 3. Remove the 3 screws holding on the start dial assembly. Then remove the assembly from the back of the panel and carefully lay the side panel and front panel flat. Remove the 2 bolts holding on the control unit using an 8mm socket and move the control unit out of the way to get full access to the recoil. Step 4. Remove the 3 bolts holding on the recoil housing using an 8mm socket and remove the old recoil. Make sure that your new recoil can build tension and set it into place with the handle in the correct position, and replace and tighten the 3 bolts with an 8mm socket. To reassemble your unit, line up the tab underneath the control unit and set it back into place. Then replace and tighten the 2 bolts with an 8mm socket. Loosely set the front and side panels back into place, and make sure the cable is set into the tab on the start dial assembly. Then snap the assembly into place on the back of the side panel and replace the 3 Phillips screws. Align the 2 fuel tank tabs into the holes on the side panel, and align the panels so they fit tightly together, ensuring no wires are being pinched, as you replace the 3 bolts across the bottom, 6 screws on the front panel, 4 screws across the handle, and 6 screws on the back panel. Replace the ground wire on the side of the unit, then fit the recoil handle through the side panel as you set it back into place. Replace the recoil screw, panel screw, start dial and screw, and the yellow tab. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the panel in place, and lastly, replace the spark plug cap, followed by the side panel and spark plug access cover. Your recoil replacement is complete. Always follow all safety guidelines in your operator's manual, and for more help guides, visit the Champion Help Center at help.championpowerequipment.com.